Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to apply some themes or some styles on my work. So first of all, you can see it doesn't work good, and this one is a little bit better. So I want to add some styles here. Under the home ribbon we can find here the sale style. So I just click here. First of all, I select the area. I select this one and I come here, I choose the title and I want, it looks better now. I select the heading and I come here, I choose this one and I just come here again and I choose this color. It looks better right now, and I select this area and I come here, I choose this color. Yes, it looks better, and I choose the total. I come here and choose this one, the total. Now my works look better, and I just change it to, and also I select this, I make it currency as like euro. It looks better. I select the area. Yes, now it looks way better, and I add style color on this, not from here and just but from here. There is a little bit difference. Yes, so I want to apply these things here also, but maybe different color, and I can choose total, the location, and here. So I select the heading, come here, this color, and these, and total. I select these and US dollar, commission. Here I choose this color, and I have three different sheets. So there is, I just under the page layout I can change the color. I come to page layout. From here I can change the font. For example, I can change the font. You can see I can change the font. You can see the salary, and I can change the color as well from here. Oops. There is problem. When I change the color, it do not change. And also when I change the color, it was blue. Now it has changed. So whenever we apply styles, apply from here, we can change the color, the font manually. We can change from here, but if we add from here, we can't change the color. That's it. So I just come here, and you can see I can try different things. You can see the color is still the same. Choose this one. You can see it changed also, but here it was like this before. It doesn't change. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.